start crying.
Hi guys. This video will show you how to fix we couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face. Windows Hello not working in Windows 10. Method 1. Installing the Windows Biometric files. Open File Explorer and navigate to the following address. Here, you should find file namely, helloffice.inf. Right-click on it and select the Install option. Later, restart our PC, and the Windows Hello Face feature should be working again. Method 2. Reset the Windows Hello Biometric Database. Press Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and click on OK. Look for Windows Biometric Service, double-click on it, and click on Stop. Now, navigate to the following address. Create a backup of all the files inside the WinBio Database folder. Once done, delete all the files and restart the Windows Biometric service. Method 3. Install Windows Hello Face optional feature. Launch Windows 10 settings and go to Apps. Select Apps and Features. Here, click Optional Features. Then, under the list of optional features already installed, look for Windows Hello Face entry. If you cannot spot it, chances are its disappearance might be causing the issue. Click on Add the feature, search for it, and install it. Thanks for watching this video.